Want to make fried chicken wings that are insanely crispy, packed with flavor, and better than takeout, all in just 25 minutes. Here we have some chicken wing flats. Use bamboo skewers or a fork to poke all over the chicken wing flats. It helps the marinade to penetrate faster. It also speeds up the cooking process. In a mixing bowl, add the chicken wing flats. Marinate it with soy sauce, rice wine, white pepper, and grated garlic. Mix well. And let them marinate while working on the other ingredients. You can also marinate them for longer. When it comes to fried chicken, which piece is your favorite? Wings, drumsticks, or thighs? Cut red chili pepper, green chili pepper, garlic, and scallions. We're going to use rice flour today. It gives a lighter and super crispy coating. It's also gluten-free. Coat the chicken wings with rice flour. In a pot over high heat, add cooking oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut oil. Heat it to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop in the chicken wings, one at a time. Deep fry for about 5 minutes until completely cooked through. Remove. Now we're going to heat the oil to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Return the chicken wings. Deep fry for another 2 minutes until super crispy. Double frying is the secret. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. At this point, the internal temperature of the chicken should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. In a wok over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add salt, white pepper, black pepper, red chili pepper, green chili pepper, and garlic. Stir fry until aromatic for about 10 seconds. Take the flavor up a notch. Just a few seconds and it smells amazing. Return the fried chicken wings and toss everything together. Lastly, add the scallions. And that's it! In just 25 minutes, you can enjoy these crispy, flavorful fried chicken wings. All my friends who have tried this recipe say it's the best. And you can pair it with my cucumber salad. Absolutely delicious. It is so crispy and so crunchy. I love it. If you would like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes and less Asian recipes. Also share this video with your friends and family, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!